Hey guys, today I'm playing Minecraft. As you can see, it just loaded up. Don't know if it'll record Minecraft because I don't have this showing when I play my Minecraft. I don't know if that happens to you. I say Minecraft. I'll just say I'll say Minecraft now. I used to say Minecraft for some reason. Probably because my friend says it a lot. He plays Minecraft. Not respond. 1 second, guys. No. Okay, Mark.
Oh, it's bedtime discussions here, mate.
There we go. Now you can get.
Good. I'll have a report for about 8:30 on Wednesday at Georgetown. Footy Club.
Well, okay, guys. So guys, I have what? I have so much redstone in my inventory, I just don't know what to do with it. Okay. So hello guys, let's make sure I don't delete anything. As you guys see, I've got my little redstone pretend bedroom with my little, I have a comfy cushion place where I go and sit. And you can't really see me. Did I delete it? Yeah. So guys, I've done a lot of redstone creations on this world. As you can see, I have a things to show you guys. I have
Right. That's organised. That's my last job.
Hopefully I didn't have any fun.
That flat will last thing to organise. Get that
out
out of the way and then I'm happy.
sometimes.
The others can look after the rest of it. Oh. Come on, hit a bit more while you're playing then. We'll leave here. We'll leave here at half-past. As early as you've ever been. Good, so you can play on it, but I want you to keep eating while you're playing then.
Koi.
Okay.
Okay, alright. What? Diamond. Alright, diamonds. Alright. If I just spawn point, does it do that? Or no, does it not? I don't know if it does. Just stick it this. Ow! Gosh, what? Okay. So I can't really get Minecraft more. So guys, you're gonna have to watch me play Minecraft like this. I'm fine with that. I am. You also use stone. I mean, they wouldn't really worry about the trap if I had diamonds at the end, would they? Oh, there it is. That doesn't make sense. I'm not scared. I love being in these because I get to see my cute skin that I uploaded a few days ago. I don't bother making one because I have a mouse and it's hard. Alright guys, we're gonna make it. It's supposed to be a city, but it's a redstone city now. Okay guys, now we have a little house. I mean, not a house, but yeah, a 3x3 area. No. I'm an idiot. Now, figure out where your diamonds are gonna go. Alright, right. I'm gonna go. We're gonna do stone flooring because you need that because that's just like mine. I hate doing mines. I hate going mining. So I should make my own little mine. I don't know, I'm creative all the time in the world because I'm scared of Herobrine. Why am I scared of Herobrine? I might cut this video. I might change the video thing from Minecraft to something else because I really scared of Herobrine. Literally, I'm really scared of Herobrine. Even though I'm not even playing the Bedrock edition. Oh, I have Bedrock, but If you have bedrock, does that mean Herobrine's gonna come to work? Does he like come? He comes more in Xbox, right? Hopefully. I don't want to know that no Herobrine's running around my world. I don't want to see no Herobrine. I mean, I am scared of him, but he's not that bad. Like, he's not gonna like kill you or anything. That's not true. Hopefully it's true. Hopefully, I'm just like hopefully. If it's not sharing the screen, probably end this video. Don't go commenting in the comment section about that, because I hate Herobrine. It's scary. It's the scariest how I'm talking about him, so I'm scared. I literally can't go any further on with this video without going playing Roblox. Probably will. Alright, that's it. That's like it. We're not gonna read any more than that. Alright. Oh wait, then it's gonna bring it back. Anyways, no, who cares? Let's cover this. There we go. We're just gonna do some. There we go. Ah. Let's just get some redstone dust. It just says redstone in my screen. Some of them might be redstone. Mine just says redstone. Dig a little path for your redstone. I don't know how I'm gonna do this because the redstone doesn't connect that well on my stone Minecraft. I hate it. I mean Minecraft. Yep. Turn. Turn. Why won't it turn and be good? I literally can't do this. Oh, I know. There we go. I have an idea, guys. Yes, the idea is working perfectly. Yes. No, but you need to put it that way instead of this. Okay. Good boy. Oh man, why is the redstone a boy now? No. It's hard to make flipping one redstone creation. Crap. I mean, it's gonna power it, right? Because it's on top of it. Hopefully. Okay, let's try it. Alright guys, so you're trying to get your little diamonds for your friend. Let's make a name. Car. There we go, that's a stupid name. You go and try to get some diamonds for your friend Car, but you don't know where to get any. So you see this redstone, this diamond. Ooh! And Car just tries to get through, but she can't. What? This is not a sticky piston. Wait, what? It broke the redstone. How did it break the redstone? What is wrong with this redstone? Work. Let's try that again. Hopefully that doesn't break this time. Oh my god, it broke. How did it break? Because I want to see how it broke. How did it break? Oh, I need a little animal. To test it. Alright, let's spawn a cow. Do we need a cow? Let's just do a cow. Something that we can put on the lead. That's simple. How did the redstone break that last time? Set. Wait, did I just see something move over there? Oh my god. Time. Set. Because if you saw that comment below, it was like right over there. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to do my friend about this. I don't want to play Minecraft anymore. Dakota, you're using your imagination. You're dumb. Not literally. It's probably just my imagination. Alright, let's spawn the cow there. Walk over the pressure plate. Ah, you come here. Yes. How does it break though? Like, pushes. On. I don't want to do anymore anyways. No, wait. Go away. Get the cow alone. Not how a redstone creation works. It breaks because it can't. I don't even need one there. Oh my god, it breaks down here as well. Wait, what? How is this possible, guys? How does redstone break? It's coming by though. I don't like using redstone because redstone is hard to kill by. This is going to be the end of my video. I need more than that. I'm being the boss. I'm scared now. Oh, I got an end portal instead of an end of things. Okay, there we go. There we go. Finally got that. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's better. I feel safe now. Okay, put that in there. Oh no, not that. Oh, how do I get more of mine? There we go. You won't want to fight me. Let's see how damage this thing does. Okay, I killed that. What are you doing, little pal? I just need this so I can just go, ha, ha, get you here, Brian. Oh, there's so many broken ground pieces. I'm really stupid. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna wrap up the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my first Minecraft video ever going to be posted. And guys, when this comes out, please subscribe. I'm so happy to be on YouTube. And I'll see you in the next video of whatever it's gonna be. Bye.